Welcome to our product review of the Beats Fit Pro headphones. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, pros, and cons of these cutting-edge wireless headphones. Let's delve into their top 5 features that set them apart from traditional headphones. The primary selling point of the Mojawa Run Plus lies in its bone conduction technology. Instead of placing earbuds inside your ears, these headphones sit just in front of your ears, sending sound vibrations through your cheekbones. This unique approach ensures that your ears remain open to ambient sounds. The primary selling point of the Mojawa Run Plus lies in its bone conduction technology. Instead of placing earbuds inside your ears, these headphones sit just in front of your ears, sending sound vibrations through your cheekbones. This unique approach ensures that your ears remain open to ambient sounds. Sweating it out during intense workouts. No worries. The Beats Fit Pro headphones are designed to withstand your most vigorous exercise routines. With their sweat and water resistant properties, you can push your limits without compromising on audio quality. We all hate it when our headphones die on us during the middle of a workout. Well, these headphones come with a long-lasting battery that won't let you down. On a single charge, you can enjoy up to 10 hours of continuous playback. Fit is essential when it comes to workout headphones, and Beats seems to have nailed it with the Fit Pro. These earbuds are designed to stay securely in place, no matter how intense your movements are. Let's discuss the 3 pros that make these bone conduction headphones stand out even further. Now, let's talk about the pros. First up, the sound quality. Beats is renowned for delivering impressive audio, and the Fit Pro is no exception. The headphones deliver dynamic sound with deep bass and clear highs. Another pro we loved is the intuitive controls. The Beats Fit Pro headphones feature touch controls, allowing you to adjust volume, change tracks, and even activate voice assistants with simple gestures. Last but not least, the stylish and ergonomic design is a definite plus. The headphones come in sleek colors, and the compact charging case adds a touch of elegance. The overall design is not only visually appealing, but also functional. As with any product, the Mojawa Run Plus bone conduction headphones also have a couple of downsides to consider. Now, let's address a couple of cons. First, the premium price tag. It's worth noting that these headphones are not the most budget-friendly option on the market. However, if you prioritize top-notch audio quality and premium features. The second con we found is the limited noise-canceling customization. Unlike some competitors, the Fit Pro doesn't offer personalized noise-canceling levels. If you're interested in purchasing the Beats Fit Pro headphones, don't forget to check the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more honest reviews and exciting content.